Hello, my good friends. It's Dan Merkin, your favorite CEO, demonstrating once again that I'm always in the best trades. And here I am in OCEA. It's been moving incredibly all morning, not a gap up. It's something you could participate in. And through trade ideas, you're just able to do it faster and better than everybody and control your risk. And here I am just adjusting that risk. Now, minimum $400. Here I am up 1700 on a trade that you saw me do in real time. This is all I can tell you is that the software makes you better, and I'm just adjusting my stop. And you ought to be a subscriber because this is the best technology for trading by far. Look at me do what I'm doing. Finding the best trades, getting in them right here, and then adjusting my risk so that I cannot lose. That's the way to win. Hello friends, I just sold my last piece of OCA right before the last halt for a $4,313 gain. This is the exit, and then it halted again. And what can I tell you? This is the way to trade. And you see it because it's in Trade Ideas. I can only demonstrate it to you, but you've got to come visit us, subscribe, and try it for yourself. Thank you so much for taking a look. Appreciate it.